Okay, today we're gonna cook these shrimp to go in our pasta. And we have, this is the type of shrimp that we're using. And we just took them out of their little shell and thawed them out and put them to soak. We also are soaking them in jerk sauce. And we have a little seasonings on them. Okay, and here's our shrimp and lobster pasta. We're going to be using cream cheese. We're going to be using crab meat. We're going to be using Parmesan and garlic. Okay. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to melt our butter in this saucepan. Okay, the butter is melted. Now we're going to add the cream cheese in. And we're going to let that melt down. That was 2 cups of milk. And I'm going to let this cook down until it starts to thicken up. Okay, now that we got our milk in, we're just going to keep stirring until it's nice and smooth. Okay, now that we got all the lumps out and got it nice and smooth, we're going to add in our Parmesan cheese. And this is a 3-ounce bottle, and I'm just going to add the whole bottle in. Now we're going to add our black pepper. Okay. And as soon as, stir this, as soon as it gets to its desired thickness, that the way you like it, you just take it off the heat and set it to the side. Okay. And this is a delicious Alfredo sauce, and it's quick and it's easy. I'm just gonna add a little garlic in. Because I like the garlic flavor added to it. And this is what I used. Alrighty, it's done. And we're just gonna cut our heat off of it and set it to the side. Okay, the pasta sauce is not done. I have my crab meat. I'm going to add it to my pasta sauce, and this is already cooked, so I'm just going to add it right in. Okay, I'm just going to stir my crab meat in. Okay. Crab meat is done. Okay, now we're gonna cook our shrimp. Now we're going to add our pasta to the water. And we're going to let that cook for 5 minutes. And we're going to let our shrimp get nice and done. We'll be back. Okay, we have flipped our shrimp to the other side, and they still need a little more cooking. Okay, our shrimp is ready, and now we're just waiting on the pasta to get done. We'll be back. Okay, our pasta is ready. Now we're going to add it to our pasta sauce. Okay, and we're just going to stir it in. Just going to stir it in, get pasta sauce all over it.
Hi guys, now that the meal is through, this is what it looked like, and now I'm going to turn it over to my wife.
Okay, the pasta looks delicious and it tastes delicious as well. Thank you guys for visiting Wright's cooking channel. Don't forget to come back. Don't forget to comment and share our video with any and everyone that wants to watch.
Subscribe.
And subscribe. Bye-bye.